Hello friends, welcome to our channel. The new product for review is Astakind. Is based another product by Mankind Group, produced by Lifestar Pharmaceutical Company. This product is mainly used for the cough treatment. The composition for this product is terbutaline sulfate, bromohexane hydrochloride, and Gemcitabine expectorant. This product is mainly used for the treatment of cough, and this solution or composition are mainly used for the productive cough treatment. It's also sugar-free product. Is mainly used to treat diabetic patient who having suffering with cough, and not only diabetic patient, those don't like sugar, they also use this. This product is effective against cough and mucus which is deposited in throat. The cost is about 53 rupees and 24 paisa. The expiry time period is from date of manufacturing to expiry date is about 24 months. The 2 years gap for the expiry, and having the some precaution that this is a Schedule H drug, therefore you need to prescription of or physician's prescription, registered medicine physician's prescription for purchase of this drug. This is a 100 ml bottle, friends, and do not put this bottle in sunlight, and below 30 degrees Celsius is needed to put this in shade. Thank you all about for this. And if you need any information regarding any chemical composition and drug and substitute for it, please write a comment on our comment box, and please do subscribe, share and like to our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep smiling, keep healthy. Bye bye.